Good morning students, I am Dhanushree and today we will continue with chapter number 5, that is Fun with Paint. Before starting directly with image file format, I will give you some examples so that you will understand better why different image format is required. So, first, if I say you, I want to store a water. So, as per my requirement, I will use different storage for water. Suppose I want to store water for a small town. I will use this. If I want to store water for a house, I will use this one. I will use tank. If I want to store water for a single day, I will use this. And if I want to store a water for 2 to 3 hours, I will use water bottle. So the basic use of all these water storage devices or water storage is to store water. But why we need these four different types? Because our requirements are different. In first one, my requirement was to store water for a town. In second one, my requirement was to store a water for a family or an entire home. And in third one, it is for a day. My requirement was to store a water for a day. And in the last one, my requirement was to store a water for a short period. So like this, there are different file format which will store your file, which will store your image. Whatever image you see, whatever photographs you see, that photographs are of different types. Like this, that in all of these you store water, but it is different, right? So different file formats are used according to your need, according to your requirement. Okay, so we will see different image type or image file format so that it is more clear to you that how the different files are used to store image. Likewise, the water storage, all that water storage is used to store water. Same is there in a computer to store different files. So file may be any image or picture, any video, anything, any type of file. But here we will see image file. Okay. So there are different file format, or you can say there are different ways in which you can save the file or image. So how you can distinguish between that? Whenever you save a file, there are some characters which will automatically appended at the end of your file name. So it will show you, or it will tell you what type of file it is, and that type it will be at the end of your file name, and computer will automatically append that. Okay, so computer will append first. If you have written any file name, computer will give dot after that file name, and 3 or 4 characters it will append automatically. So today we will see image file format. Okay, so in this file format you can save image. First one, JPEG. So computer will attach .jpeg at the end to any image file which you want to save as JPEG. Then GIF. So at the end of the file, .gif will be there. PNG. TIFF and BMP. So this I will explain you in detail, but these 5 are file format for image. Your image can be anything or any format from all of these, any one. Okay. So why we use JPEG, why we use GIF, why we use PNG, TIFF and BMP, that I will explain you next. First file format is JPEG, that is Joint Photographic Exports Group. Now this is the most popular file format. Whatever pictures you clicked in your phone or in digital cameras, all the pictures are saved with this file format. Now this file format, it supports 16.7 million colors. That means it supports over 16 lakhs colors. Okay, so this file format is very popular as the size of the file is less as compared to the quality. So you will get better quality in less size. And digital cameras, phones, all the images are saved with this file format. It is the most popular file format. Mostly images are saved in your camera and the mobile phones in this file format, and 16.7 million colors are supported. Okay. Next one is GIF, that is Graphics Interchange Format. Now it is animated images, okay, which looks like a video, but it's not a video. Now what do you mean by animation? Whenever you see any picture, whatever objects are there in picture, they never move, okay, but in GIF image, whatever objects are there in a picture, they can move from one place to another place. So it is called as animation. Okay, so animated images are GIF, but in these images there are limited colors, that is 256 colors are supported in GIF file format. So less colors are supported, and that's why size is very less. This is one GIF image. Okay, it looks like a video, but it's not a video. It is GIF image. It is a image. Very beautiful it is. Next is PNG, that is Portable Network Graphics. Now you must have seen many images on internet. So images on the internet, these images are PNG file format, and this PNG file format does not support any animation, and it supports variety of colors. So basically PNG file formats are used for the images present on the internet. Next file format is TIFF, that is Tagged Image File Format. Now this file format is used when we want to store multiple files together. So when we store file together, generally only single image file is there, but in TIFF multiple images you can store together in a single location. So when we store multiple files together, the file size will automatically increase. So who will use this image format? This image format is popular among artists and photographers, those who want to share multiple files together. Now next is BMP. I will show you one image, this one. Now can you see small squares are there in this image? So in BMP, whenever you save file or image, your image is divided into small squares, and that square is known as pixels. So in BMP, your image will be saved as a pixel. So each and every pixel will make an image. So what happens in B? Now BMP stands for bitmap. It is very large size and rich in color, and quality is also very good. But that file is saved as a pixel, so whenever you will zoom or you will increase the size of a file, you will see your file like this. That means small square will be visible whenever you will zoom or whenever you will resize your file or BMP image. So it will not give you a proper image, as whenever you will zoom it, it will show you squares like this. I will give another example. Your normal image will be like this and BMP image will be like this. So whenever you will zoom, you will not see that image clearly. You will see that image like this, scattered. So because why it is? Because the image is saved as a pixel, small pixel. Today we will see two main commands of Paint, that is copy and cut. Now what is the difference between copy and cut? Copy means if you want a part of an image at its original place and you want to duplicate same part to somewhere else, you will use copy. And cut means you will remove that part of a drawing from its original place and you will paste it to the new location. So copy will make a duplicate copy of the selected part of a drawing, and cut will remove that part of a drawing, selected part of a drawing from that place, and it will paste to its new location. Example I will give you. Whenever you cut anything, that object, it is not there or it will be cut from its original place, and whenever you want to paste it or whenever you want to attach that cut part, you can attach it. Okay, so like this you can also do cut and paste in Paint. How you can do, I will show you. First, whenever you want to use copy or paste, you have to tell the computer what you want to copy, what you want to cut. So select tool you will use first to tell computer or tell Paint what you want to cut or what you want to copy. So I will use rectangular selection. So I have selected this Doraemon. Cut means now this Doraemon will go from here to its new location. So I have selected the part of the drawing which I want to cut, and I will use cut command. Cut is here. Control X is the shortcut key to cut. Control X. X is like a scissor. So Control X. So you will use this cut. So whenever you will use this cut, it will be moved from its original location. But wherever you want to paste it, you will use this paste command. So cut and paste you will use together. So paste command I will use, and whenever you will use paste command, whatever object you have pasted, it will always come at the top left corner. Here it will always come, and you can move it from here to any location. So once you have pasted that object, you can move it to any location. Now suppose I want to paste it again, you can do it like this. Again use paste. Okay? So you use cut once, but you can use paste. You can paste that object many times. This is about cut. Cut will always remove that part which you have selected from its original location to the new location. Next one is copy. Copy means first you will select the drawing like this, and instead of using cut you will use copy. I will use copy and I will use paste. Now see, I will move this Doraemon. Now I have selected this Doraemon, and that Doraemon is there also at its original location, and it is here to its new location. So once you have used copy, again you can paste it many times. See, paste, move it, paste, move it, paste, move it.